Hello, my name is Aaron and welcome to my nature walk. We're looking for ants today and we're starting here at my front door. I think I see one. Come on, little auntie. So at last. Nice. Come on, little auntie. You're still on there. What are you in? No, you're not. I think there's going to be loads of ants here. Yeah, did you know that there's 50 species of ant in the UK? Let's go and have a look. Here's an anthill. I just saw a meadow ant here, so I think it's a meadow anthill. Hey look, you can see the lava. There are different chambers. The queen lays her eggs and the workers look after them. Let's look at these logs. I wonder what's underneath. Let's see this one. Ooh, that's a lot. I wonder what that is. I think it's a pile of eggs. Let's put this back. Oh, there's a lot here. Oh, they're eating the root. Wow. I can already see some right there. Let's flip it over. Wait. Whoa, that's a lot. They almost made me jump. Oh, look, the ants. Oh, that's. Sometimes we see green woodpeckers will eat ants. Oh. I see some millipedes and centipedes very close together. Let's see if that will kill. Oh, it's curling! They have 6 legs, but they have jaws, but they can't bite you. Thank you for coming on my nature walk. Bye from me.
And bye from me. And for ants as well, I meant.